Is the bed gonna close like this?
Maybe.
It's like a horror movie. Whoa. This is the closest you're gonna see us in bed together.
No, because he gotta remember, he lays in between us while we watch movies.
True.
Yeah. You like that though?
My head feels weird because my head is vibrating too.
Your whole body's vibrating.
It's tickling my nose. Our nose is vibrating. It's just my nose.
Still moving, huh?
This is kind of what it felt like when I had my seizure. Pillow's getting away. Oh!
Well, that's just about the perfect positioning.
Hey, go back down.
How about now?
Now when you guys are talking, it sounds like you guys are vibrating.
No, actually, it's just you that's vibrating.
I know, but when I listen to you guys, yeah, it's like when you go close to a fan and you're talking on your phone or...
Better?